What's up, everyone? I'm going to show you how to tag your YouTube video titles. Really easy, how to get a bunch of tags. Sometimes when you go in this area and you're like, hey, what should I put as a tag to help my video in certain search areas, right, to boost your video and get more views, you're like, what do I put here? So here's what you do. Here's what I do anyway. So I use this site called rapidtags.io, and it has some premium features that I'll get into in another video. But the main thing, if you just go right here to the generator area, is that it just can make tags for you based off of different search queries. So I'm just going to take my title, right, and I wrote this in the most focused, keyword focused way that I could, right? My video shows how to use Google Trends to track the popularity of search terms, right? And that's what I named my title. So you want to give a full descriptive title of what you're doing, like a kind of a full sentence with as many keywords in it as you can get. You have 100 characters to work with. I'm at 60. This isn't too long. This isn't too short. This has a clear message. This is a good title, right? So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go over to Rapid Tags. I'm going to throw it right in here. Now this is going to work, and it's going to pull up some tags for me that I can use, right? So just to keep you aware, this does not always come out with relevant tags. It is usually very good, but sometimes it's not even remotely on the money. So you can click on these little X's and get rid of the ones that are not there. All of these look pretty legit, pretty related to what I'm doing. Maybe yeah, this is all legit, because you can do keyword research with Google Trends, you can do product research, you can do all these things, right? This is all stuff. So I just hit copy, bam, copy to all my stuff. There you go. Go over to my tags, paste it in, hit enter, boom, there you go. I'm also using this YouTube Studio Beta. So yeah, so anyhow, that is how you generate tags using rapid tags. Really easy. This is what I do for all my videos, so I don't have to, work around messing with anything else. So thank you for watching, and have a good one.